just finished packing this order. This is 2 mystery boxes. This one is a medium, this one is a 3X. I put them all in one box because they're going through the same place. One is for a daughter and one is for her mother. They wanted matching shirts and matching cups, so I got the matching cups and matching shirts in there, of course including my care card. I put some little pumpkin decor up here, and I need to of course include their whatever that is. The packing slip. Let me give you a sneak peek at the medium side. This is what it's looking like. That's the shirt.
I eat that lunch, she keep that booty, she keep that plump, that natural beauty, yeah, yo. If you could see it from the front till you see it